In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Facebook profile to a digital creator. This is a great way to start if you're looking to expand your social media presence and tap into the tools Facebook offers for content creators. Let's dive right in and make your profile stand out as a digital creator. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account on your computer or mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, you'll want to head over to your profile. You can do this by clicking on your profile name, which you can find in the top left navigation bar. This will take you directly to your personal profile page where all the magic is going to happen. Now that you're on your profile page, look towards the right side of your cover photo. You should see 3 little dots there. These dots are your gateway to more options related to your profile settings. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. It's a small step, but it's crucial for accessing more advanced settings on your profile. With those options open, you'll see a list of actions you can take. What you're looking for here is the option that says Turn on Professional Mode. This is the feature that will convert your profile into one that's more suitable for a digital creator. Click on Turn on Professional Mode and you're almost there. Once you click on it, Facebook will present you with a dialog box detailing what turning on professional mode entails. It's always a good idea to read through these details so you know what to expect. Turning on professional mode will enable features like insights into your audience and access to more content creation tools. If this sounds good to you and you're ready to make the switch, go ahead and click on Turn On. And there you have it. Your profile is now set up as a digital creator. With this new setup, you can start exploring the additional features Facebook provides to help you engage with your audience and grow your presence on the platform. Remember, this is just the beginning of your journey as a digital creator on Facebook. Take advantage of these tools, create engaging content, and watch your community grow. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're excited to start your journey as a digital creator on Facebook. If you have any questions or need further help, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.